Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna do a toolbox tour on this US General 5-drawer roll cart. So let's begin. So on the lid, I keep lights, filter wrenches, some sockets, my ratchets with the QRT ratchet holders from this TikTok shop, chargers for my Milwaukee tools, charger for my light. I keep my headlight here. I got some USB cords so I could charge my lights and whatever other lights I have. Some big sockets. These tools are my mainly used tools for when I go outside, when I'm working outside and I'm not near my big box. So here go all my sockets, 1/4 inch all the way up to 1/2 inch. Screwdrivers. Here I keep picks, punches, some other screwdrivers, mini pry bars, Allen wrenches, measuring tape, razor blades, bit drivers, and magnets. Here I got my extensions and some ratchets here. These are, like I said, these are my mainly the stuff that I use most of the time. Here I got some, I think these are called pipe cleaners. I use them to color coordinate when I'm doing electrical work or when I need something held up. I just grab these and use them. And these are to cut wire looms or to get into wiring. These are the automatic wire strippers. Here I keep my pliers. So here I keep my pliers. I keep them on the Toolbox Widget plier organizer. They're modular. I keep my power probe here. Power probe tip. Another tip. This drawer is the wrench drawer. Mainly all SAE. I got like 2 or 3 metric stuff for when I'm working on the Cummins engine. Snap-on adjustable wrench extender. I used to have an air dryer filter tool here, but I lost it, so I gotta order another one. And then here is just my electrical. Here's my power tools. The Milwaukee Insider, the 1/4 inch, bit driver, snap-on torch, Milwaukee little drill, hammer, pry bars. Here's a snap-on extra long 1/2 inch ratchet. I keep it right there with a mount on the magnet. Holds up fine. And then here I keep, here's a cup holder for my coffee. Here's the US General mini toolbox. I keep like shop tools here. Not shop tools, I keep like hardware here, electrical tape, Teflon tape, extra bolts, fuses, airline fitting, zip ties, small zip ties, air adapters. All the stuff here, so that's less strip I gotta make inside. So I got like 3 or 4 magnets from Amazon on the back of this box. Just on the back of this little box, so it's just getting held on there by magnets. It never fell. It's on there pretty tight. And then up here I got my gloves upside down underneath the tray, and on the snap-on box, on the snap-on glove box holder. That's it. And here I keep my parts tray, magnetic ones and regular traditional ones. And then I got this snap-on light. This is to light up my drawers. I like it because it twists and bends however I need it to, so I can light up my drawer when it's dark. Back here I have a US General Harbor Freight magnetic power strip, and I got the cord running in here. When I need to connect it, I just pull the cord out and connect it. The creeper, I got the creeper on the Gator magnets from Amazon. I got it on 3. That's strong enough to hold it up. It doesn't fall or anything while I'm rolling it away. Spray can holder, pen holder with Torx stripe. Snap-on magnet to hold my keys, so when I'm rolling around, it's not falling on the floor.